What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? Ki sa ou pral fè jodi a? Ki sa ou pral fè jodi a? I am going shopping. I am going shopping. Mwen pral fè market. Mwen pral fè market. What time are you leaving? What time are you leaving? Ki le wap pati? Ki le wap pati? I am going to leave around 4 o'clock. I am going to leave around 4 o'clock. Ma pati environ 4 heures. Ma pati environ 4 heures. Will you buy a cake for me at the store? Will you buy a cake for me at the store? Est-ce que wap achete yon gâteau pour moi dans magasin? Est-ce que wap achete yon gâteau pour moi dans magasin? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, pas de problème. Okay, pas de problème. Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money? Est-ce que ou gen assez l'argent? Est-ce que ou gen assez l'argent? I'm not sure. I am not sure. Mwen pa si. Mwen pa si. How much do you have? How much do you have? Combien ou genyen? Combien ou genyen? $20. Do you think that's enough? $20. Do you think that's enough? $20. Est-ce que ou pensez ça assez? $20. Est-ce que ou pensez ça assez? That's not very much. That's not very much. Ça pas en pile. Ça pas en pile. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Mwen pense que li ok. Mwen pense que li ok. I also have credit card. I also have credit card. Mwen gen 4 crédit tout. Mwen gen 4 crédit tout. Let me give you another $10. Let me give you another $10. Kitemba ou yon lot $10. Kitemba ou yon lot $10. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. See you later. Merci. Napre pita. Merci. Napre pita. Hello, John. Hello, John. Hello, John. Hello, John. How have you been, my friend? How have you been, my friend? Comment ou ye, zamim? Comment ou ye, zamim? Not so good. Not so good. Pas trop bien. Pas trop bien. Why? Why? Pour qui ça? Pour qui ça? I'm sick. I am sick. Moi malade. Moi malade. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Moi regrette de ça. Moi regrette de ça. Okay, it's not serious. Okay, it's not serious. Okay, c'est pas grave. Okay, c'est pas grave. How is your wife? How is your wife? Comment madame ou ye? Comment madame ou ye? She's fine. She's fine. Li bien. Li bien. Where is she? Where is she? Qui côté lié? Qui côté lié? She's in Canada with our kids. She's in Canada with our kids. Li na Canada ak ti moun nou yo. Li na Canada ak ti moun nou yo. I see. I have to go now. I see. I have to go now. Mwen we, fok mwen ale kounye ya. Mwen we, fok mwen ale kounye ya. Please tell your wife I said hello. Please tell your wife I said hello. S'il vous plaît, di madame ou mwen te dil sali. S'il vous plaît, di madame ou mwen te dil sali. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, mwen pral pale ak ou pita. Okay, mwen pral pale ak ou pita. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.